Airchat is a new social media app that became publicly available 3 days ago as I record this on April 15th, 2024. What makes Airchat unique is that you use your voice to interact with people, and your voice then gets transcribed into text. So, in other words, you use your voice to post public messages that can be heard or read by other users. Or you can respond to other users' public posts, again, using your voice. Or you can even send direct messages to friends for private playback. But there is no option to send text-only messages. Everything starts from a voice message. So here's what the app looks like. This is the homepage, the feed. And when you're scrolling your feed, there's a play button down here in the bottom right corner where you can toggle on whether to play the voice messages. So I'll go ahead and hit play. And it's just playing the voice message that this guy left. Or I can pause it, then you can just read the messages like you would on something like Twitter. And if you hold down the play button,
If you know
you can change it from
roughly the
1x
duration
playback
you usually
speed to
travel.
2x playback speed to 3x playback speed, etc. And at the bottom middle, there is that big record button, which you can hold down to start recording a new message. So let me try it right now. I'm making a YouTube video about Airchat right now. This app is awesome. And then when I release, that gets posted to my public message, public board, and you can see there it is transcribed. And then you have a home button over there on the left, and this is your feed. To the right of that is a search button where you can search and discover people to follow. This bell, of course, is your notifications. And finally, the envelope icon is your direct messages inbox. It's a super simple app, but I'm excited to follow it over the coming months and years. I think the social media landscape is in desperate need of a disruption, and this could be it. I've seen, or I guess I should say, I've heard several people on here post about how they had way deeper conversations on Airchat than they've ever had on other platforms, that it's easier to remember it's a human being you're talking to when you're hearing their voice and not just some avatar producing text. And by having to use your voice, it's way easier to pick up on things that don't translate well in text only. For example, something like sarcasm. And Airchat is also doing something I think is really smart, which is that they've made it invite only for now. So to use this app, you have to get an invite link from a friend already using it. This makes it somewhat mysterious and exclusive. So people are going to try just a bit harder to get access to it and value it just a bit more than if you could just freely sign up and anyone could use it. But this also makes it much harder for scammers or businesses to join it, which leaves the quality of the user base a little bit higher when they're all just individuals using it. And the user base, as of now, as you might expect, is mostly tech bros and people in Silicon Valley. The company is co-founded, or at least funded, I'm not sure the extent of his involvement, by Naval Ravikant. Naval is an angel investor and a guy that I admire immensely, which is another reason why I'm so excited about this app. I really hope to see it succeed. So let me know if there's anything you want to know about Airchat, and I'll make more videos in the future.